Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, we'll explore a feature that consistently captures the interest of marketeers and product managers: funnels. Usermaven Funnels is the perfect tool for understanding the paths that users take to reach specific goals. But why are funnels so important? They help you identify the weak points in a process. For example, many users drop off at the add to cart step. Well, maybe more product images need to be added, or the product description needs to be more detailed, or maybe there are issues with the product's pricing. This is where Usermaven's funnels come in because they help you spot and optimize such weak links. Let's see how it's done. On the Usermaven Web Analytics dashboard, click on Funnels and you should land on this page. To create a funnel, click on New Funnel. In this case, let's create a funnel to track the user onboarding process for our Replug website right here. So let's go back and give our funnel a name. Let's name it Onboarding. Next, provide a description for your funnel. This step, however, is completely optional. In the next step, choose an audience for your funnel. This can be a visitor, a user, or a company. In simple terms, visitors are individuals that visit your website but they haven't really signed up. Users and companies, however, are the ones that have signed up to your app either individually or by passing company-based parameters respectively. So you can create a visitor, a user, or a company level funnel as per your requirements. Since we are tracking the user onboarding process in this case, let's select user over here. Now, had you selected visitor in this case, you would have seen this toggle right here. If enabled, the funnel will only track unique visitors. This means that it won't count recurring visitors, that is those that go through the funnel steps more than once. Now going back, let's select user over here and now let's choose the funnel steps. Over here, you can choose between a page URL, wherein you can enter the URL of your specific page, or between custom and pinned events. Additionally, if you want to equip yourself with extra information regarding custom and pinned events, please go through our specific guides. We've also provided the links to those in the description below. Now, as we are tracking the user onboarding process for the Replug website, we'll be selecting page URL, custom event, signed up, page URL once again, and pinned event. This over here means that for a user to complete the onboarding process on the Replug website, he will first have to visit the main Replug website. He'll then sign up on the platform. The user will then visit the Replug dashboard and he will then be creating certain links on the website. Now, alias over here allows you to assign a recognizable name to a specific step in the funnel. This makes it easier for you to recognize the step. For example, over here, let's name this one website. This one should be named sign up. We can name this one dashboard, and this one should be named created links. In the fourth step, you can choose your specific step order. You can choose between a sequential or a strict order. In case of sequential order, if your funnel consists of steps like visit the website followed by other steps for onboarding, a user could visit the website, engage in other unrelated activities, and then eventually complete the onboarding process. This means that step B should follow step A, but other events can occur between these two steps. In case of strict order, the events or stages in your funnel need to happen precisely in the sequence that you have defined. For example, in this case, the user must first visit the website and then proceed to sign up, followed by the next steps in the funnel exactly as they are for the funnel to record a successful conversion. In this case, let's select sequential order. Lastly, you have the funnel window. This is the number of days, hours, or minutes that a user has to complete the funnel steps. Let's set it to 7 days over here. Finally, click on the Create button and your funnel will be created. For funnel insights, just click on a particular funnel. Over here, you'll see a drop-down menu wherein you have the option to view your insights in the form of a vertical and a horizontal bar graph. You also get absolute and relative drop-offs over here to help you understand where you're losing the most users in absolute numbers. In addition to these AI insights, our AI model automatically generates these insights. To be included in these insights, variables must contribute to more than 5% of the total funnel traffic. For a detailed view of the funnel, click on Deep Dive. This dashboard gives you a basic overview of your funnel, providing you with the total number of users who have visited the funnel, the total conversion rate for your funnel, and the step with the most drop-offs. You then once again have your vertical and horizontal bar graphs, and then you'll also see this information in the form of a table at the bottom of the page. In this table, for each step of the funnel, you'll see the number of drop-offs, the overall conversion rate for that step, and the average amount of time that users have spent on completing that step. Now, by selecting Breakdown over here, you'll gain access to a more granular view of your funnel's data, allowing you to identify the initial interactions, the geographical locations, or the technologies that may be influencing your drop-off. This breakdown view provides you with valuable insights for optimizing your funnel and improving conversion rates. For example, if you click on Country over here, this breakdown by country dashboard will give you an overview of the amount of traffic that you're getting from each country to complete each step. For example, for the first step, about 110 users were from US, 46 of them were from India, 27 users were from Morocco, again, 27 users were from Great Britain, and about 318 users were from the rest of the world. You'll get the data for each of your other specified steps as you scroll down as well. You'll also see it in the form of a table, which also displays the number of users for each step, the number of users that dropped off on each step, the conversion rate for that step, and the average time that users spent on completing that step from each specific country. If you click on the Show Complete List button over here, you'll get an entire list with information from all over the world. Similarly, breakdown by device, browser, or operating system will give you information on the different kinds of devices that are being used to complete each step. The same applies to the first touch points over here as well. Next up, we have funnel comparison. The funnel comparison feature helps you compare funnels over different time periods. You can select one of these options over here. For example, let's select current versus previous day, and the dashboard provides you with a detailed comparison of the number of users that completed the funnel on the present day and those that completed the funnel on the previous day. Similarly, you have a bar graph and a comparison table for these funnels as well. You can also set a custom time period over here. Just click on custom over here and you can select specific dates or specific time periods. For example, let's compare April 1 to 3rd with April 4th to 6th. Now, if I click on the apply button, I'll see a comparison right here. Over here, you'll see that about 116 users entered the funnel on the current time period, which is from April 1st to April 3rd, and about 75 users entered the funnel on the previous time period, and this goes on for the rest of the steps as well. Lastly, there is the conversion time distribution dashboard. This dashboard gives you valuable insights into user behavior, particularly focusing on time-related metrics. You can see the average amount of time that users spend moving from one step to the next one from over here. For example, let's select step 3. You then have the number of users and the average amount of time that they spend on each step over here as well. The metrics over here are displayed in the form of a histogram. The histogram is segmented into bins, the number of which you can change from right here. A bin is a segment or an interval used to categorize data in the histogram, typically representing a range of values. Over here, bins are used to display the distribution of users completing a funnel within a specific time range. Let's select 6 bins right here. At the very end, you'll find detailed AI insights that provide a comprehensive explanation of the presented metrics. This ensures a thorough understanding of user behavior and time dynamics. Now, going back to our funnels dashboard, for each of these funnels, you can also easily edit, duplicate, lock, or delete a funnel. To edit a funnel, click on the edit button, then make as many changes as you need. For example, let's change it to 4 days over here. Once you're done, click on the update button and your funnel will be updated. Similarly, to duplicate a funnel, click on the duplicate button. You'll see this dashboard appearing on your screen. Make sure you change the name of your funnel so that it can be distinguished from your original funnel. Let's name it onboarding replug website over here. You can then make as many changes as you need. Once you're done, click on the create button and a duplicate funnel will be created for you. If you wish to delete a funnel, just click on the delete button over here, confirm, and your funnel will be deleted. Similarly, you can also lock a funnel. You can do this only if you are the owner or administrator of the workspace. If you lock a funnel, the managers and viewers in your account will only be able to view your funnel. However, they won't be able to delete or edit it. And this is all for now about funnels. Do check this exceptional feature out on your own and let us know what you think about it. See you in the next video.